Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is the gear bracelet. Gear bracelet was invented by Ferdinand Lammertink, and this is my interpretation of his idea. What you see is a set of gears all around in a bracelet, and you see it's a bracelet. It's obviously not made for my hands, and the object of the puzzle is you fold it flat and then you turn a bit, and then you fold it flat in a different direction, you turn even more, and now we turn it, push it flat like that, and you see it's easy to scramble. And this version of the gear bracelet has a little flaw, because when you make it like this, it's easy to cheat and you can just move two gears at the same time, which was not the intention. So I also developed a slightly different version, that's this one, and it's hard to see, but you see little knobs here, and the little knobs, when you're in this position, then they block the turning of the gears. So this one is there is no cheating with this version. So you would say, well, problem solved. Well, actually, even though you can't cheat with it, it's a bit awkward to play because of the knobs and you have to align everything. So this one is not good either. But actually there is a reason that neither of these puzzles are any good. So my question to you is, there's something fundamentally wrong with this puzzle and the other one. And can you tell me what's the problem? Thank you for watching.